I know the future brings you another new video. So previously we read the poem of Logan Paul. So it's suitable that we also read the the poem of his brother Jake Paul. So a different hand, very. I would say there are some differences between the two brothers, which I think the people who watch their content will know more. So first of all, this person is very clever. He is exceptionally clever, and like more clever than Logan Paul. He has a longer thumb. See the thumb length is longer. This means he is yeah, this person, why is he so clever? He doesn't use his heart. He uses his head more. He's in, intellectually driven. We see that the thumb is also very well balanced. We see the logic phalange being very well developed, which shows that the person is a very good planner. He might not be a very good executioner of those set plans, but his planning ability is very good. We also see the heart line. The heart line is like from between the two fingers, which shows a balanced heart line, and it's not swaying too much upwards, which shows that the person does not let their emotions interfere with their career. The lifeline and headline are joined from the start, which show that this person is attached to their family. What you say, he is still attached to his brother. I think, yeah, he is attached to his brother. So, and more so than Logan, because Logan is a person who can like do without family. Like, oh, okay, just meet up on the holidays. But this person is very deeply attached to his roots, to his hometown, etc. And then we also see the length of the line. You see it's a very good length, it's long. We also see where it's ending, upper Mars, which shows a lot of stubbornness, but at the same time a lot of intelligence as well. So on the intelligent level, this guy is more intelligent than Logan Paul. He might not be as confident, as outgoing, as extroverted, or as outrageous as Logan Paul. So that's why maybe, if I haven't seen the stats, but Logan Paul would be more popular. But this person, he would be better with money. He would be better with the planning as far as like he could have been a manager of Logan Paul instead of having his own channel. So he is overall more smart, more sophisticated. We also see the lifeline first is attached, then it's going outward. This person is likely to settle abroad, and he is also likely to become more outgoing and extroverted and travel the world as time goes on. We see the Venus mount. Now, this is where the brothers are similar. Both have strong Venus mounts, which gives them their creativity, their passion, etc. And it also gives their like what you say, the wealth, the desire for wealth, the desire for status symbol. So this is also similar. The heartline is also very physical heartline. So this also shows a person who keeps their true selves to themselves, and that they are very materialistic as well. We also see that Logan Paul's fingers are near to each other, but this guy, his Jupiter finger is separated from his Saturn finger, which shows independence of thought. That's why I was also seeing the lawsuits, the controversies. They're even more than Logan Paul. So this person, he just because he doesn't like to be different. He is different. So he does these controversial things like Marlon Brando, the Godfather actor. Even he, after getting a lot of fame, then he just went off the racket. So this person has a very independent thought process. Like he thinks very differently from others. And he does, like Logan Paul, he would be insensitive. He wouldn't know what others are thinking. But no, this guy is a planner. He knows what others are thinking, but he thinks very uniquely. So I would say this poem belongs to someone who's a very good producer, who's a very good even writer, I could say, or someone who can even succeed in politics. In case of Logan Paul, he's more of a show person. He's more of a actor type person. But this guy, he is very clever. He can get away with a lot of things. Also, his finger setting is better than Logan Paul. He also doesn't have a low set little finger. He is more confident, and we also see that the Mercury finger is very very long. So these people are Mercurian. These people are basically, they are too smart for their own good, and they think they can't get caught. But as he's living in America, and of course he will have money, but he can't escape criticism. But this guy, again, he's also like Logan Paul is, can like change and can be like can consider other people's opinion. This guy, his headline is too straight. It's going on upper Mars. This means that he cannot change his opinion unless he wants to. So he's very stubborn, but he's at the same time very smart. So this leads to a dangerous combination. Especially look at the length of the Mercury finger. The Mercury finger itself is the indicator of intelligence, and this shows exceptional intelligence, especially in the commercial world. We also see good first phalanges similar to Logan Paul. So this guy must have dropped out. He must have been getting good grades, but in the end he would be doing what he wanted to do and only getting grades in the subjects he's interested in. But if he didn't like succeed in YouTube, he would have succeeded in a normal profession. And we also see the third phalanges. They are taking space, which shows his desires for sex, desire for money, etc. And this is also shown by the development of the third world. So overall, the thing is that this person is his own worst enemy because of the long Mercury finger. And if you see, the Saturn finger is short compared to the other finger. So this means the Saturn finger shows discipline. So this person is a rebel, very rebellious. So these he just likes doing these things without any care of what will happen. But he knows he's doing wrong. He will still be doing that, and that's different from Logan Paul, who, as I said, Logan Paul is not that person who knows what's going on. He would be thinking, oh, this is not offensive. He wouldn't research, etc. But this person is a planner. He knows what he's doing is wrong, but he still wants to get away with it. Look at the strong Mercury line from a young age, and then also that the Sun line. I think this is another Mercury line. Again, it's combining because it's between these two fingers. So it shows Mercurian intelligence along with Apollonian qualities like being very successful in front of the camera, in front of a crowd. So you see his success is from those two mounts. And of course, the Venus mount, similar to Logan Paul, is very developed, which shows that other people watch his content, he is popular, etc. And the Saturn mount shows that he is very good in saving money and better at managing money than Logan Paul, who and Logan Paul is very changeable. He's sometimes doing that, sometimes doing this. This guy, he is not changeable. He will only change if he sees like a long-term opportunity. So he is very long-term driven. So overall, the two brothers couldn't be more different and couldn't be more the same. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very nice day ahead.